story time. Story time. Hey y'all, how y'all doing? So I was gonna tell y'all about the time that I gave birth in the car. A little graphic, so we not gonna go there. I don't need y'all knowing all that information. Just know I had the baby outside the car, half in, half outside, in front of the hospitals. Then the story about when I got into A, my first car accident, B, it was with a drunk driver. Let's get into it. This story takes place last year around December, week or two before Christmas. We was hungry. It was about, I wanna say 7 p.m. and bomb Mexican restaurant around the corner from my house. So I was feeling like some chimichangas. Me and the hubs decided to order some chimichangas, right? So I got me my shrimp chimichanga. I was so ready for that chimichanga, y'all. It'll be ready in about 15 minutes. So I was like, cool. So I start getting ready. I get to the car. My husband's like, oh, we can come with you. And I was like, nah, it's around the corner. Y'all stay. It's getting late. I'ma go get it and I'ma come back. Best decision ever. I'm driving, right? Get to the intersection of where my neighborhood like meets the main street. This is my car and this is the intersection. And I was turning left. Car that hit me was coming down the street, turning into the neighborhood as I was trying to turn out. So I was parked at the stop sign. I wasn't moving. I was just, signal like turn left and I'm ready to turn. And then I just happened to look to my right. I saw this car just like coming a little too close to me. Okay, he not gonna make that turn. He didn't make the turn. So I lay on my horn. I'm like, like I'm laying in it like, please don't hit me, God. Please don't hit me.
He hits me.
I didn't know dude was drunk at this time because he got out the car as soon as he hit me and he's like, he gets out the car, he starts brushing my car, y'all. Like he starts like brushing like the debris away. Like, dude, what you trying to do? Sir, you hit my car, sir. Get back in your car and let's wait on the cops because I called them. I think he was trying to be like, oh,
You can handle this.
I'm like, no, our insurance can handle this. I'm not paying for this, sir. He gets back in the car finally. I think he's about to pull off. So I'm out and I've got my camera. I'm taking pictures. I got license plates. I ain't playing, y'all. Cops get there about like 55 hours later.
It's Charlotte, y'all know.
I called my mom, by the way, so she's on her way. She beat the cops there because she don't live too far from me. When the cops get there, he's like asking me questions. I tell him the whole story. Dude tells him that I turned into him.
Where they do that at?
You can clearly see that I'm at the stop sign, excuse me. This is how I found out he was drunk because the cop came back to me and was like, yo, he is drunk. Dude can't stand in one spot too long. He's slurring his words. And I was like, well, that makes a lot of sense. The cop, talked to me. He was really nice. I got a beef with him after this because he didn't do his job properly. And I'll tell y'all why in a minute. So he goes back over, talks to the dude. He's like yelling at him at this point because the dude's not complying. He's talking back, but he's yelling at him. I think let me insert a clip because I think I have a clip from that night.
Go to the phone. Put your hand behind your back. This one's good. You're a rest. Stop, don't act all surprised. You could have hurt this lady here in her car. All she's doing is driving, mind her own business. Alright? Don't drive drunk.
Okay, so y'all just saw that. So y'all know I'm not lying. I was pretty mad. The officer was acting like he was gonna arrest him, which he should have, because if he's drunk out there, he doesn't need to be driving around so he can hit somebody else. Come to find out when I talked to my lawyer, the officer never arrested him for drunk driving.
Why?
I actually had to go to physical therapy after this. My back was hurting. But because the officer did not charge him with a DUI, which is driving under the influence, I was not able to have that in my court case. Miss Smiley got a lot less money than she should have gotten. Officer, not gonna say your name. I'm mad at you. Do your job. That's my story. Bye.